We're here with Mark Sorrell, who is the owner and founder of New Vintage USA, based out of Detroit, USA-made gauge solutions. This kit here is for your 69 through 70 Mustang, and he's going to tell us all about it.
Well, thanks for having me. What we've got here is this is our kits for 69, 70 Mustang. What we do is we offer them in various different styles so you can fit the theme of your build. So these are offered in, I believe, 6 different styles. These are our Performance 2. This is our most popular. It has a performance look without the in-your-face look of a racing gauge. We have some retro styles as well that have more of that vintage feel, so you can get the look that's right for your build. What's in the kit is it's the gauges, so you get your speedo and tack, and then your minor gauges, just like the original. And then it includes all of our wiring harnesses, temp sender, pressure sender, bushings, pretty much everything you'll need to install in your vehicle. Here's our exclusive mounting system that we make in-house to install in the factory location, and I'll show you that in one second. What's really cool about these is now we've got something that's going to look really cool in your dash. It's going to work great, but the installation is pretty straightforward. You start with our exclusive mounting system. Everything's fully adjustable, so you can line it up to where you'd like to see it through the dash. Some people are taller, some people are shorter. You can move these up and down so that it'll be at the right angle for you. You can install them in any location you want. Some people prefer the tack on the left, some prefer it on the right. It's up to you. You can be the custom gauge builder and design the dash how you want. And then when we get into the actual wiring, we've got the easiest wiring on the planet. You wire up your 2 main gauges through the color-coded wiring harnesses. Red is power, black is ground, white is lights. Pretty straightforward through using our instructions. Then the minor gauges, just plug in using our extension harnesses, and they're all set.
The one thing I saw that I liked for definitely the do-it-yourself first-time installer is your instructions are in color. A lot of the colors, it's just they have positive wires and say what color it is, but having it full color that matches all the wiring and someone can lay that out definitely makes it easier for that first-time installer.
What we do is we include charts and diagrams with actual images of the items. That way you know 100% what you're dealing with. You may not be familiar with what these parts are. That's okay. That's why I include the instructions to help the do-it-yourself or at home make it as easy as possible for you.
So if you're looking for that perfect gauge kit for your 69 through 70 Mustang, New Vintage definitely has you covered. And again, as we talked about in the intro, these are USA made, correct?
Yeah, we do everything in Detroit. We do all the design, assembly, calibration, packaging. The only 2 things we don't do in-house is stamping and injection molding. Everything else is done in-house. Anything that we do have to send out is done in town. So we try and keep everything not only in the US, but in Detroit.
So these USA made gauge kits from New Vintage USA are available right now at cjponyparts.com.